Hello! In this video, we'll explore how to add transitions in Trupeer videos. First, once you're on the edit page, simply click on the Visual section. Here you'll find several options. By clicking on the Intro slide, just scroll down. You'll see the Add Transition option. By clicking on it, a pop-up will appear. Here, choose the transition that fits your needs. You can also adjust the duration according to your preferences and select a particular style for the transition. Then click on the Save option. You'll notice that the transition has been added to the intro slide. If you'd like, you can also add the same transition to the outro slide using the same process. Just click on the outro slide. Click on the Add Transition and select the particular transition you need. Choose the duration and click on Save. If you'd like to add a transition to particular video clips, you can do that by clicking on the desired clip. Scroll down and you'll see the Add Transition option again. Just click on it. Here you will find two options: Entry Transition and Exit Transition. Now, I'll apply the Entry Transition option. Then select the style that suits your needs and similarly apply the Exit Transition. Click on the Save option. Now, you'll see the transition has been applied to both the clips and the intro slide. Next, I'll show you how it works. Simply play the video and observe how the transitions are now visible. This is how you can effectively use the transition feature in your videos. Thank you.